Racer and accountant go to the safari park.
Racer, let's plan the best route using these coordinates.
Accountant, I want to see the giraffe!
The giraffe is the tallest mammal on the planet, measuring over 5 metres.
Oh, let's go and climb one!
We should stick to the road. My fuel consumption calculations indicate...
Off-road!
Mind the monkeys! They have 36 teeth, you know. There go the wipers.
I'm a lion! I'm a lion!
No, Racer, that's a lion. Oh, the Mini Countryman 4x4.
Spirit of a racer!
Mind of an accountant.
And a dynamic performer on any terrain. Try yours at Sytner Leicester or Sytner Nottingham, where you can drive a Mini Cooper Countryman away from just $249 a month. See sytnermini.co.uk.
Personal contract hire 47 monthly payments of $249, advance rental of £4,000. Subject to status, guarantees may be required, terms and conditions apply, giraffes not included.
Dino and Pete exposed. Capital.